Kevin is going on a little test drive with the auto tech. We are in the car shop for the third time in 10 days, so brakes are no good again. Kevin is going on a little test drive with the auto tech. Maybe they can feel like what's going on.
We are waterfalled out. We've seen so many waterfalls in the last week, and we didn't even vlog them all because some of them were just like less than half-mile round trip hikes. So we just kind of did it for photography. But in Memphis, we want to change things up a little bit and kind of just explore the city. We're not actually gonna be passing through Nashville. So posted on my story some food spots that people recommended since neither of us have ever been. And we are at our first spot, Patty B's Chicken. And we also have Rendezvous marked on the map and the Pig on Beale Street. But yeah, we're just gonna be exploring Memphis for the next like 24 hours. So let's see what we get into. So looks like it's about to storm here, but we're still gonna be out exploring for the evening. It's funny because Bri and I are, when we're both home, probably some of the healthier humans out there. We're extremely vegan, super conscious of what we eat and plant-based, but we also, oh, it is starting to rain. But we're also like very big foodies, and we love all foods, even if it's not healthy for you. And whenever we're in a new city, we like to try the new thing. So of course, we're gonna be going on a food tour in Memphis, even though we're probably gonna hate ourselves in our stomachs afterwards.
I got some coleslaw. I love coleslaw. And tenders. I got some tenders. And also beans. I love baked beans.
Oh my gosh.
Oof, that's their sauce they're known for. Comeback sauce. It's like a spicy ranch. And Kevin's chicken sandwich. Wow. Oh, and he got the pimento mac and cheese.
Yeah, that sounds so insane.
Guy Fieri.
So we ate, but I figured, how can we come here and not try their cottage chicken? So I went to order it, I just got one tender. I asked how bad it was, and she kind of just started laughing at me for like a minute, and then I told her I had ranch, so like how bad could it be? And she was just like, that's not gonna do anything. She just kept laughing, and then she said it's ghost pepper and habanero. It's like two of the hottest peppers like on the planet, so like it's gonna suck. So as I was finally paying, she said to me, she was like, if I touch the chicken with my hands, not to touch my skin after, and if I touch my eyes, like I'm gonna need milk. So like, very serious. You can smell the heat. This little piece to start. It tastes like shit. It just tastes like heat, like pure fire. My tongue's on fire.
Are you okay?
No. So I'm in the bathroom right now after that, what the cluck or whatever that is called. That was a nightmare. I just washed my hands for like 3 minutes to make sure I don't have any like spices on my fingers and then like touch my face. That was horrible. Don't do it. All the employees were laughing at me. Whose house are we headed to?
Elvis Presley! Woo! Graceland, here we come!
Bri is so excited for this. This is pretty rad. This entire stone wall is just covered in people's signatures and whatnot. It's pretty cool. Those are Elvis's planes right there, and we talked to someone at the Graceland parking, and she said we could pull here for a quick minute, but we are not allowed to go past the gate. And that, oops, that right there is Elvis's home. Come on, you can't not. We're at Elvis's house.
Okay, so the Graceland tour, which I was actually very interested in, I researched, and like the cheapest kind of overall option I think was, how much did I tell you? Like $70? I could be wrong. I think around $70. So we decided we weren't gonna do it, but that's what it costs. You get to see like his planes, his like jets, and go on a tour all over his house, which seems really, really cool, but I don't know. And the ultimate VIP experience, I'm not entirely sure what that gets you, is $140. So yes, those are your options. We did not take any of them.
So this looks like such a fun street.
My cocktail place is closed.
Yeah, so we will not be getting a cocktail besides it free. But yeah, everything is closed or extremely limited capacity. Yeah, it is awesome. But yeah, just like a lot of places closed, a lot of souvenir spot, a lot of spots like this. Really awesome. So we're kind of bummed we're here during everything that's going on, but it's a super cool place. And I think we're gonna go to the Pig right now, try out some Memphis barbecue. What did we order, Bri?
A barbecue pork sandwich.
Are we hungry?
No. We're splitting it for once. We never split anything. Dark fries.
Or just put the French fries on the sandwich. So. Survey says. Bri found a spot that has live music. So these guys are gonna go on in a minute. Should be pretty cool.